guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be teaching you how to style your locks today, how to really take good care of them through braids. Some people want to braid their locks, but they don't know what to do, how to go about it, the advantages and the disadvantages too. So today, my focus is going to be all centered around lock braiding as a way to style your locks and as a way to take good care of your locks. So yeah, speaking of hair goals, so most women want to have styled locks. So their hair goal for their locks is to have it all stylish, classy, elegant, smooth, beautiful, and to match their outfits, because you might want to attend a specific event and you want your locks to look a specific way for that event. You're welcome to my channel, so sit back, relax, and I have a special guest today who is going to be making the braids for me. Yes, someone is gonna do the braids for me and I will be introducing her very soon. And you're welcome back to Sisterlocks. So, I told you that I have a guest today, and she is Tega. So, Tega is a beautician, and she's gonna be styling my locks today. I want braids. I don't know what she's gonna do in particular, but we're gonna find out from her. So hi Tega.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Great. So what are we gonna be doing today?
Well, we're gonna be styling your hair, just simple style.
So we'll see for ourselves today. She's gonna weave my hair.
Yeah.
And we'll see. So yeah guys, sometimes when you braid your locks, you might have to just hold the tip of your locks, the locks at your edges, because you don't want them to break. So if you notice, if I feel like the hair is a bit tight, I hold my edges so the locks at my edges don't break off. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. You might want to just hold your edges. So yeah, I had so much fun on today's episode on the channel. So remember to click the like button, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Also turn on the notification button so you can always know when I put up beautiful videos like this. So yeah, it's time to say goodbye. But before we say goodbye, go style your locks today!